Alright, so I'm just going to go through my first impressions of using this little FireCuda 510 series, the M.2 NVMe SSD. This one is a 1 TB. I put just a little pen here just so you can see the size comparison. There's sort of my normal sized hand, I would say. There's a roughly 15cm pen, and there is the little SSD here that goes internally. I found it to be incredibly quick, just for comparison to a lot of other obviously spinning disk hard drives. So they say, Seagate says with this one that it's got blazing fast performance, ultra small factor, fits into a lot of laptops and PCs. So this is 1 TB. It does also come with the 2 TB version. This one costs, I believe, around the $450 mark, and the 2 TB a fair bit more. It has up to 2,600 TBW. The one thing I do like about it, 5 years warranty. I'm very impressed by that. A lot of Seagate portable hard drives and all those sort of things come with 2 or 3, but this one comes with 5, which is really good in case, obviously, touch wood, something happens. You've got a lot of warranty there. Going through some of the stats, sort of the nerdy stuff. Actually, hold on, I'll just put it on here so it's a little bit better. Some of the numbers that you've got, if you want to have a look at this little spec sheet here. So sequential read, I'll just read it out. 3,450 megabytes per second. Write 3,050 megabytes per second. So one of the stats that I like here, if you have a look at this spec sheet, I can hold it there just in case anyone wants to have a look at it. You can pause it, screenshot it, do what you need to. Mean time between failures, hours, 1.8 million. Very impressive. I am very impressed by that. Does not use much power at all. SSDs do quite well with that, and the shock is quite well as well. So I'm really impressed with the stats here. I did find when I was using it, it was very similar in terms of the speed that they're recommending. So I know a lot of companies are prone to overinflate how quick things are, but this one I actually found to be very, very close. It was almost exactly spot on. So nice work to Seagate for getting it almost spot on. I see the reason I would recommend using these is because 1 TB, it doesn't cost much, and it's a whole terabyte. I don't know how much storage people are using, but I feel like 1 TB is enough to run your whole system and to have all your software and all your programs on it, and then have an external hard drive. I don't know what you need, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 TB just to store your files. So I would highly recommend having this FireCuda. The read and write speeds are exceptional, honestly really good. Like, it's really, really, really quick. It's PCIe, so it's the quickest as it's going to get. It's M.2, so it fits into a lot of little laptops nowadays as well. A lot of PCs that you want to build, would definitely recommend it. So the random read is 620,000 IOPS, and the write is 590. So there's a few little variations between the 1 and the 2 TB, as you'll see from the spec sheet, but overall they're very similar. They've got the same specs for almost everything, and it just does really well. I mean, if it says it's going to last 1.8 million, you're not going to have any issues with it. I'd put it into a laptop or computer that you plan to have for a long time, and it honestly just does really well. Found it to be really impressive. Probably one of the best SSDs I've used. It's just the 510 Seagate. You've done well. Nice work.